Hello, in this video I will show you how to set the date and time on Skmei 1155 and 1155B. To start, make sure the watch is in the timekeeping mode and press on the mode button 3 times. 1, 2, and 3. The seconds will start flashing on the screen. Press the start button to reset the seconds to 0. Press the reset button one time and use the start button to set the hour of your local time. Note that you will only be able to move forward and not backward. Press on the reset button one time and now use the start button to set the minutes of your local time. Press on the reset button and again use the start button now to set the month. Press the reset button one time and now you can set the date by pressing the start button. Press the reset button again and now you can set the day of the week by pressing on the start button. Press on the reset button, then the mode button to exit the settings. To set the analog hands, pull out the crown to position 1 and turn the crown to turn the hands to your desired time. You can set the same time as on the digital screen or a completely different dual time. After setting the hands, push back the crown to the 0 position. Thank you for watching this video and please subscribe to my channel.